In this next section of the video, we're going to take a look at how to set up our eSchool and our Schoology so that when you put a grade in Schoology, it automatically syncs to eSchool and you don't have to enter grades twice. So go ahead into your Teacher Access Center. And when you get there, make sure you're on the home screen. And then under View, you're going to select All Classes. Under All Classes, you should see a course called College and Career Readiness. The section is different based on your homeroom. Go ahead and open that course. And then from that screen, you're going to go up and select Gradebook, Setup. And from this screen, you're going to make sure you click the button that says Calculate Average Using Total Points. And then you're going to select the category Assignments. Under Assignments, you're going to make sure you have marking period 1, 2, 3, and 4 selected. You're excluding missing scores from the average, and hit Save. You've now created that category in eSchool. Double check that you have that total points checked. Going back to your College and Career Readiness course in Schoology, you're now going to sync eSchool with Schoology. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see the word eSchool Plus. Under eSchool Plus, you'll see two buttons, Sync Grades and Configuration. You're going to select Configuration. And under Configuration, you're going to see Assignments. eSchool Plus course category is Assignments. Dropping the lowest is 0. And select your Schoology course category of Assignments. One important step here is to scroll the whole way down and click Save Configuration. If you go back to the top of your screen and click on Sync Grades, you will see that things haven't synced yet because there's no new grades. Schoology and eSchool will talk to one another once you add grades in. If you add grades in and you want to see instantly that it's synced, you can force a sync by clicking the Sync Changes button.